Hello, good evening, traders. I got a bonus video for you today. So, so not only did we pass through our zone, our buy zone 54.8076 so far on a 4-hour chart. This is how it looks. It looks really scary. We actually bypassed the uh that area and went down to its next support, which was right here in this area that we draw. Look, it's even coloring my buy arrow. So as you know, I told everyone I had my buy orders at right here at 54.87, and I'm actually accumulated so much XRP because I was in at this. I did not take any profit at these exits. I'm actually up here and buying it back here. So I am up a lot of XRP. Um, Selling it at, what was it? What did we get in at? 65, 63. I have to check my my account. But you buy XRP at you sell XRP at 63 and buy it back at 54. You're gonna make a lot of more XRP, and that's how short selling works. So um, I want to show people these supports again. This support was that same support, that same angle. We just duplicate that angle, the one I showed you in the video, and you can place it at core to core, which is here, the same angle here, or you can also place it here, and you can do both. This is the time when you can draw a core to core as against the wicks. Normally I won't draw a wick to a core, but you can connect two cores and then project them onto a wick. Okay, so you can do that. Meaning, if I was drawing core to core here, I can move this over to the wick, or I can move this to the core. But if I was drawing a line, I would never draw a line that's a wick to a core. I wouldn't do that. You get a lot of false signals that way. Okay. Um, if you zoom in to see what's actually going on, and you look at the 1-hour chart, you're going to see that price broke down and came right to, there we go. But then what happened after that? We went right through and we closed below. So we still may close above, but if we come up and do what we did up here, what I was telling you guys, why I all day long, these are all day long on the 4-hour chart, we were going, not all day long, but a while. It felt like a while. We were bouncing up in here. We were watching the 1 and 2 hour charts in the chart room. But in the 1 hour, for 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, we're just bouncing along in this, and we knew these areas. We knew it. And I was telling everybody, don't get faked out with this. We're going to hit this level, the 54 level, because that's the support. The next support below is down here at this dynamic line. This line is not as powerful, and because now it's broken through, what we're going to do is we're going to lower that, and we're also going to fade it away a little bit. Okay, since it's losing strength, we may sit up on that line. Let me give it a little more strength, in my opinion. We may come back up before the end because this is just a 1 hour chart. So on a 4 hour chart, we can still come back up to that level, and then we'll rest. And then if it does that, price needs to do. This is what I want price to do to hit the 52. Either it's going to hit it now, or it's going to do a couple scenarios, and these are the scenarios it's going to hit. So I'm gonna show you what it's going to do. What I would expect it to do. It is showing that it's very, very weak. Okay. So, but this still doesn't mean I'm selling anymore because I don't have a sell signal. So I'm not selling down to these areas because even though we're so close, there's a lot of support in just these zones. So, people are asking, should we buy? Should we sell? I'm still bullish because we already this guy's. Let me show you. This is already the where I know as buy zone. Okay, we may come back and hit these trend lines up here and then come down, as I've showed you guys in my chart pictures for the updates. Okay, that's what I'm expecting. Okay, but before we can do that, these are what's happening. Let me show you. Okay, this is what I expect. Either this line is going to hold, which it hasn't been challenged yet, so there's a strong chance that it will work like a resistance area, meaning price will go up and hit that line and then come down, and then automatically we're in the buy zone, and then that would be a support. That's scenario number one. Scenario number two is price can come back, because we're still in the 4-hour chart. Price can go all the way back up and then go to that area up here and then resist and come back down to here. Oh, look at this. Look, live, and the question has been answered. Look at that. There it goes. And so now price moved very, very, very quickly to its 52. Okay, it's very, very quickly to its 52 flag. Okay, and now what should happen after 52? We're gonna hit the 52.03. We should come hit it here. Let's see. You're watching price live like this, and then spike back up. If it does that, that's the buy area. Okay, so we are now where I would feel is a buy area. This is the 3 areas we called. We've been calling for many days now. Okay. You've seen them on our previous videos over and over again. 52.35. People kept asking, "Are we going to hit 52?" Yeah, I didn't expect it. We were going to hit tonight. I really didn't expect we are going to hit tonight. This still may spike down here and then come right back up. I did not expect we are going to hit tonight, but we did. So now here's the dilemma. We are in a buy zone, but does it mean buy? Not necessarily. I'm happy with my XRP, but I need a signal. Okay, here you go. Look at that. 52.03 and 52.7. Okay, there we go. Look and see. What did I just tell you? We're going to go down there and spike up. And you're going to see that happen as well. So we need a signal if we were going to come up at the moment. I want, what do I want? I wanted a wide swing. Somewhere past the resistant level. We may not get it because we're sitting just already on the weekly lines. These are the weekly lines. But I would have liked some kind of curve. We've gone almost straight down past. We snuck underneath this line. Well, we knew we were coming down to this area, but we snuck right through it, and then we snuck through that one, and we went right to this area. But I didn't expect us to hit that area for. I actually expected price to come here, bounce up, and then come down, swing, hit maybe this area, and then come down. But we went right there. So that tells me the speed rate is very, very high, very, very dangerous. We can be experiencing a lot of whipsaws. Okay, so if we're coming down this high and we come right back up to this range in this area, then I'm still up for prices tomorrow to hit this. Okay, because this is not exhausted. It could either hit it right here in that intersection, or it can hit it here in this intersection. which is, where this is at. Okay, we can do those things. And that doesn't necessarily mean to buy. This is tumultuous trading range. Okay, on a 4-hour chart, it looks a little smoother. But where are we going fully? We are going to the real buy zone, 25, 35. Okay, that's where we're going. That's where I've been calling. People call me a little crazy for believing that. But here's the thing, guys. People are asking, is it a straight shot? I told everybody, we're going to get you to 25. But I don't think there's a straight shot because there's so much resistance. And you look at this. We're sitting on the 52. But we're going right through the resistances. Right through. The main two stops. There was the pit stop here at 54, and we almost hit it the other day when we did this one at 55, and then I lowered it to 54. And then these were the last two. After this is just a pit stop on the way. Okay, here's what I expect when we do get to 25. Price needs to do that. It needs to come swing wide, and it needs to test this as the roof. Okay, so price has to break down and then come up here and then test that. Once it tests that, that's going to be a sell signal. Now, if in the next hour or 4 hours we get a long spike and comes back up, that's a sign it's breaking this line. It's breaking it. And we already know that it's been touched one time already. Okay, where was it touched? Here. And what happened last time there? Crashed through it, spiked, broke it. Came back up, but it broke it. So now it comes back to test that line again. Look at that. Wow. Okay. Do you think this is going to hold for long? No. That's why I'm telling everybody. Guys, 25, 35 overall. And when it happens, we got a straight shot down. Okay. Will we get to rest tomorrow? I think so. I still think we're going to get a rest tomorrow. I think we're still going to get back into this range somehow. It's just if we miss it, we miss it. I have XRP. I'm happy to get XRP at this price. I'm super happy to get XRP at 54 price. Okay, that's the price I got autofilled. Will we get up into that area again? I think so, but I think we have to play in this area a little bit longer, just a little bit longer before we come. I think we're going to consolidate for a day or two. People are going to freak out. What happened? What happened? What happened? Oh my gosh. And then there's going to be a calm by the storm, and it might actually be here where this intersect is. Okay, it could be tomorrow when we hit up this big top and come here. If we hit that top, I really think if price shows that it bounces one more time, we may go. But this is a strong line. Okay, this is a 1-hour chart on a very strong weekly line. Will it hold? I think so, just for the fact that it's a weekly, but not for long. And then once we go down, I think here's what's gonna happen. I think we're gonna hit that big swing, boom, hit that up, and then we're down. Then all after that, I'll be so happy because that's my job is done. If what happens tomorrow, okay, and I'm happy taking my break. I'm happy. If we get this price to with the swing upwards to 52 or 53, okay, this becomes the floors become the new ceilings. When we get there, I'm exiting XRP. That's what I'm going to sell again. Okay. So I'm this is the target price. I'm taking. I already had a buy to be safe in case we had a big spike. But once we get past the 52 area, I want to see prices come down. I'm not going to buy it if it just comes below and spikes through because it could go right back up. That's not a buy. That's not the time to sell it. You want to sell it when we see the price set up correctly, and it needs to set up down, up. That's what I want to see. That's a good setup. Once it tests that line as the roof, okay, then we're safe to come down. And I believe it's going to be a straight shot down here. But you're going to see a lot of people crying because Bitcoin was also going to be falling. I haven't even checked the chart for Bitcoin right now. I've been talking with everybody about showing updated screenshots in our chart room. So go ahead and visit us on our chart room. And God bless y'all. And this is an update. You all have a good night. And let's be watching the charts tomorrow.